In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show and hide layers in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control what you see on your canvas. Whether you are tidying up a busy file, comparing variations, or simply focusing on a specific part of your design. First, open your design in Figma so you are looking at the file you want to edit. Everything we'll cover works on frames, groups, and individual layers, and the behavior is consistent across the app. Let's start with the Layers panel on the left sidebar, which is the most common place to manage visibility. As you move your mouse over a layer name in that list, you'll notice an eye icon appear. When you want to hide a layer, hover over the layer name and click the closed eye icon that appears. The layer will instantly disappear from your canvas. And in the list, its name will look grayed out, which is Figma's way of showing it's hidden. To bring that layer back, find it in the list and click the open eye icon. The layer will reappear and its name will return to normal. This is especially handy when you are working through a complex hierarchy and want to quickly isolate different elements. A quick note, hidden layers can't be interacted with on the canvas, so if you can't click something you expect to, check whether it's hidden in the list. If you prefer speed, keyboard shortcuts are the fastest way to toggle visibility for what you've selected. Select one or multiple layers and use Command+Shift+H on Mac, or Control+Shift+H on Windows. This immediately flips the visibility state for the selection, so you can rapidly compare before and after without moving your cursor. It's great during reviews when you want to show alternatives quickly, and it works exactly the same whether you've selected a single layer or a whole group. You can also control visibility from the Properties panel on the right sidebar, which is useful when your left panel is crowded or collapsed. Select the layer or layers directly on the canvas, then look in the Appearance section on the right. You'll see the same eye icon there. Click it to hide or show the selection. This method mirrors the Layers panel, but keeps your attention on the design area. That's it. Thanks for watching.